Microsoft Word documents are typically saved in the DOC or DOCX format. If you need to send your Word document to somebody who doesn't have Microsoft Word, you can save the document in the rich text RTF format. Watch to learn how. Open the document in a word processor. Navigate to the Save As menu. Click the File menu and select Save As. Click the drop-down menu next to Save as Type. More formatting options will appear. This could also look like file type. Select Rich Text Format .rtf. You should see .rtf as the new file type. Save the document. Choose where you want the file to be saved and name it whatever you want. Then click the Save button. The Microsoft Word document will be saved in rich text format. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.